Good morning, students. Now, ma'am will tell you what are the different activities that we have to do in EVS subject. Beta, in EVS subject, you have choices between activity and experiments. Today, ma'am will also tell you what two different experiments. Okay, beta. Now, first of all, let us talk about our first activity. Our first activity is draw and explain different parts of plants. Beta, see this example. I have makes part of plant for you. Beta, you have to paste pictures like paste the original plant parts here. Like I have taken out some fallen parts of plant like flowers, leaves, roots, and I have pasted here to explain the diagram. Like this is flower, this is leaf, this is the stem of plant, and these are roots. There are different branches also like this and this. These are branches of plant. So this is our first activity. Now let us see our next activity. Our next activity is animals and their homes and young ones. Let us see here. This is our activity number 2. In this activity, we have written animals' name, their homes and their baby's name. We have also pasted pictures here to explain it in better way. So you have to make a video of explaining animals, their homes and their young ones. Okay, beta? Our third activity is about good manners that we have also done. We have done this activity in our scrapbook earlier also. We have written magic words, their uses and some good manners. You have to explain these good manners with your gestures and props. Okay, you have to show how you will use these good manners in your life. Okay, beta. Our fourth activity is this. You have to make a list of different plants that are used in that provide us fruits, vegetables and medicines. I have written some examples for you like apple, mango, banana. These trees provide you fruits. Potato, gourd, cauliflower. These plants give you vegetables. And neem, babool, tulsi. These are herbs or plants that gives us medicines. Okay, beta. So these are our 4 activities. Now ma'am will tell you 2 experiments. Okay, beta? Yes, beta. Now our first experiment is soluble and insoluble. Soluble and insoluble are what things? Beta, today we will see that some things are soluble in water, that dissolve in water, but there are some things that do not dissolve in water. Okay, so let us start our experiment. Before starting, I will explain you what are the different materials that we are using here. Our first material is 3 glasses of water. You can see here I have taken these 3 glasses of water. Next is sugar, 2 spoon. I have taken this sugar. Next is salt. Beta, I have taken salt here. Next is sand. This is sand. Okay, beta. And next is oil. And this we have oil in this bowl. Okay, beta. Now, how to do the experiment? See here. First of all, I will show you that water is transparent. You can see, beta, dekhi. There are molecules in water. Everything in nature is made up of molecules. Okay. Now, water molecules have too much space in between them. They are loosely partitioned. Okay, beta. Now, first of all, we will take 2 spoons of sugar and put it into the water and we will dissolve it until it is fully dissolved. Now see, beta, in few minutes it will be dissolved. Yes, beta, now you can see the sugar is dissolved completely in water. You cannot see sugar particles in this glass. Now next thing we will see salt. We will take a little bit of salt in our spoon and will dissolve in this. Yes beta, see, when we are dissolving salt in this water, it is also disappear. You cannot see salt here. Okay, now next is sugar. It is soil. We have taken 1 spoon of soil and dissolved in this water. Beta, see, this soil does not dissolve in water. The particles you can see here, it will settle at the bottom of the glass. Okay, now our last thing is oil. Now I will take 1 spoon of oil and you can put it in this glass. Now see beta, I am dissolving it, but it is not dissolving. You can see this, that it collects at the top of the water. It does not dissolve here. You can see a layer of oil on the top. Yes beta, now see, oil is on the top, and if you see the glass from bottom, it is clear. Okay beta, now you can see. Yes beta, now see, sugar and water and salt are dissolving. Sugar and salt dissolves in water, so they are soluble materials. The things that dissolve in water are called soluble, and the things that does not dissolve in water are called insoluble. Like you can see here, oil and sand. Sand is at the bottom. They does not dissolve in water. Why they does not dissolve? Because their particles are heavier than water particles. So they either settle at the bottom or come at the top. Okay children, this is our first experiment. Now let us see second experiment. Yes beta, now this is our second experiment. Air takes space. Beta, as you know, air is all around us. We breathe in air and we need air. Okay, जब गर्मी लगती है, we switch on the fans to have air. Beta, now we will see this air's property. Air has one property, that it takes up space. For this experiment, what are the materials required? One inflated balloon. Inflated means air-filled balloon. One deflated balloon, empty balloon. One marker. I have taken one marker here, and one sheet. This is the sheet I have taken. Now see how to do this experiment. Beta, first of all, if you see this empty deflated balloon, it does not have any space or weight. मैंने इसको यहाँ put किया and marker से इसकी boundary बनाई. Now see beta, if you can see this boundary, it is very small in size, and when we fill air in it, like I have taken one balloon and I will fill it with air. Let us see, when we fill air in it, it takes space. अब इसका साइज बड़ा हो गया और जैसे जैसे एयर निकाल रहे हैं, इसका साइज फिर से स्मॉल हो गया है. Now we will draw one outline for this inflated balloon. Yes beta. Now see here, the size of and the size of deflated balloon. You can see the difference in both. It taking less space. That inflated balloon takes more space than the balloon that is deflated. So this shows that air takes up space. So these are your experiments and activities. You can opt any one activity and explain it. Okay children, your video should not be more than 30 seconds. Bye-bye.